Welcome! In this video, we'll show you how to quickly and easily mate and unmate the fiber optic tails to fiber jumpers using the Q-ODC-2 Mini connectors by HUBER+SUHNER. This Quicklock-OutDoor Connector can handle up to 2 fibers. Let's get started. To mate the connectors, begin by taking off the dust caps from both connectors. Remember to connect the dust caps together to keep them clean and free from debris. Hold the plug in one hand and the socket in the other. Use the arrows on the boots of the connectors to pre-align. Rotate and align the connectors until alignment mechanism is in place, and you can push them together. With blind mateability, the connectors self-align. Give them a gentle tug to ensure they're securely connected. And that's it. Disconnecting is just as easy. To unmate the connectors, simply press your thumb and forefinger between the rubber boot and the metal sleeve and pull back. Then pull apart the connectors. Don't forget to put the dust caps back on when you're done to keep everything clean.